Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be making claypot rice with spare ribs in preserved black bean sauce. This recipe is really simple and the first thing we're going to do is dice up the garlic. You can also chuck it into the blender if you don't want to dice it up. We're then going to slice up the chili, and you can also add more chilies if you want it a bit spicier. Next we're going to slice up the Chinese sausage. You can leave this out if you don't have Chinese sausages on hand. I'm just adding it in because I really like it. Next we're going to heat up a tablespoon of oil in a wok and add in the black beans and fry it until it's fragrant. And then you can add in the diced garlic and just lightly fry until it releases the flavor, but make sure it doesn't turn golden. We're then going to add in all the marinade ingredients and the chili to the spare ribs and just give it a mix until it's evenly mixed through, and then add in the black beans and garlic and give it another mix until that's evenly mixed through. We're then going to wash the rice 34 times until the water runs clear, and then we're going to add water to the pot until it sits about a centimeter above the rice. We're then going to add in half a tablespoon of sesame oil and cook the rice over high heat. When it begins to boil, turn it down to a medium-low heat. Then when most of the water has dissipated, add in the spare ribs and the Chinese sausage. We're then going to cover it with a lid and cook it for a further 10 minutes, and make sure you don't open the lid during these 10 minutes. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.